Class 8 Science, we were discussing chapter 16 Light, and in this video we will discuss about human eye. The eye has a roughly spherical shape. The outer coat of the eye is white. It is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from accidents. Its transparent front part is called cornea. See this diagram. This is cornea. Behind the cornea, there is a dark muscular structure called iris. This one. Okay, this is iris muscular structure. In the iris, there is a small opening called the pupil. This one. If we see eye from front, then this part, okay, this is called iris, and this part, this is called pupil. Clear? The iris is that part of eye which give it its distinctive means विशेष कलर. आप देखते होंगे किसी व्यक्ति की आंखें भूरी होती है, ब्राउन होती है, किसी की ब्लू होती है, किसी की ब्लैक होती है, तो ये इस आइरिस की वजह से होता है. See this eye color chart. This iris is brown, so eyes are brown. This is green, blue eyes, black eyes. Okay. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. The iris controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Just see this diagram. In bright light, when you go in the bright light, what happens? Pupil becomes smaller. Okay. See this. This is the pupil. This becomes smaller. If you see the side view of your eye, then this part, okay, this is smaller. If you see the front view, okay, this pupil is smaller. But when you go in dim light, then pupil becomes larger. कहते हैं ना आपको अंधेरे में आंख फाड़ करके देखना पड़ता है. इसका मतलब क्या है? आपका जो pupil का साइज है वो बड़ा हो जाएगा. See this one. ओके. यदि साइड व्यू से आप देखते हैं तो आप देखिए ये वाला पार्ट ये बड़ा हो गया. यदि फ्रंट से देखते हैं तो ये बड़ा है. ओके. Behind the pupil of the eye is a lens which is thicker in the center, and the lens which is thicker in the center, that is known as convex lens. See this. This is lens. The lens focuses light on the back of the eye on a layer called retina. This big part, this is called retina. The retina contains several nerve cells. Sensation felt by the nerve cells are then transmitted to the brain through the optic nerve. Okay, this is optic nerve. There are two kinds of cells. Cones, which are sensitive to bright light, and rods, which are sensitive to dim light. Cones sense color. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is possible at that spot, and this is called blind spot. Okay, at the junction of optic nerve. Okay, this is optic nerve and the retina. At the retina, that at this place. This is called blind spot. No vision is possible. Now, with the help of one activity, we will demonstrate the blind spot. Demonstration of blind spot. Make a round mark and a cross on a sheet of paper like this. This is cross mark and this is round mark. The distance between two marks may be 6 to 8 centimeter. This distance. Okay, it should be 6 to 8 centimeter. Hold the sheet of paper at an arm's length from the eye. अपनी आंख से एक हाथ की दूरी के लगभग इस sheet of paper को आपको पकड़ना है. Now close your left eye. Look continuously at the cross. Left eye बंद करके cross को देखना continuously. Move the sheet slowly towards you, keeping your eye on the cross. Okay. Now what do you observe? The round mark disappears at some point. Okay. Now close your right eye. Look at the round mark now and repeat the activity. Again you will observe that the cross disappears. The disappearance of the cross or the round mark shows that there is a point on the retina which cannot send messages to the brain when light falls on it, and that point is blind spot. Okay. The impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists there for about 1/16 of a second. है ना, इमेज हम अचानक खत्म नहीं होती रेटिना पर, ये सेकंड के 1/16 पार्ट तक वहां पर रहती. सो if still images of a moving objects are flashed on the eye at a rate faster than 16 per second, then the eye perceives this object as moving. Let us see one activity. Get a square piece of cardboard of size 6 to 8 centimeter. Make two holes as shown in figure. Okay, actually this is one square board. इसमें एक होल यहाँ बनाइए आप और एक होल यहाँ बनाइए. थ्रेड स्ट्रिंग थ्रो टू होल्स. एक स्ट्रिंग को इसमें से पास करिए, दिस वन, दोनों होल में से इधर से इसमें डालिए और फिर नीचे से इधर निकाल लीजिए इसको. नाउ ड्रा और पेस्ट अ केज ऑन वन साइड ऑफ द कार्डबोर्ड एंड अ बर्ड ऑन द अदर साइड. उसी कार्डबोर्ड पर एक तरफ बर्ड या तो डायग्राम बनाइए या उसका कोई डायग्राम आपके पास ऑलरेडी है तो उसको पेस्ट कर दीजिए. दूसरी तरफ आपको केज बनाना है एक ही उस कार्डबोर्ड की सीट पर. नाउ ट्विस्ट द स्ट्रिंग. स्ट्रिंग को आप घुमाइए एंड मेक द कार्ड ट्विरल स्पिन. कार्ड को स्पिन करवाइए रेपिडली. यू सी द बर्ड इन द केज. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि बर्ड केज के अंदर है, लाइक दिस. ओके. The movies that we see are actually a number of separate pictures in proper sequences. They are made to move across the eye usually at the rate of 24 pictures per second, faster than 16 per second, so we see a moving picture. Okay? Nature has provided eyes with eyelids, palke, to prevent any object from entering the eye. Eyelids also shut out light when not required. Again, see the diagram. Okay, this is iris. Okay, this is pupil. These are the eyelashes, and this one is eyelid. This is upper eyelid, and this is below eyelid. Okay, पलके जिसको आप बोलते हैं, सोते समय जो बंद हो जाती है, ये आपकी आंखों को प्रोटेक्ट करती है. आई इज सच अ वंडरफुल इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट इट नॉर्मली कैन क्लियरली सी डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. यानी कि डिस्टेंट का मतलब दूर के ऑब्जेक्ट्स को देख सकती है, एज वेल एज ऑब्जेक्ट्स नियर बाय, पास के ऑब्जेक्ट्स को भी देख सकती है. द मिनिमम डिस्टेंस एट विच द आई कैन सी इज अबाउट 25 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज नोन एज नियर पॉइंट. ठीक है. There is one far point. Far point is the distance, that is the maximum distance at which the eye can see, and generally this is infinite. Okay, thank you.